Of Your Lordship, Honorable Mr. Justice Abhay Srinivas Ok, Chief Justice of Honorable High Court of Karnataka, to commence this inauguration program.
Yes, please proceed.
Thank you, Your Lordship. May I now request all the dignitaries to kindly raise up for our Nadagite. Thank you, Your Lordship. May I now request our Honorable Principal District and Session Judge, Shri Sadanand S. Naik, to welcome the dignitaries.
Good evening to all. Coming together is the beginning, keeping together is progress, and working together is success. For good governance, a good person and good system are essential. We are all assembled here on the inauguration ceremony of first floor of court building at Basavana Bagewadi. It is a historical day for the legal fraternity and the benevolent people of Basavana Bagewadi. It gives me an immense pleasure, profound privilege, and reverence to welcome Honorable Sri Justice Abhay Srinivas Oka, the Honorable Chief Justice of High Court of Karnataka, on this historical occasion. My Lord is having great vision to deliver real and speedy justice to the needy. Doing justice truthfully, objectively, and impartially itself is a great tribute to the justice. Duty done with compassion is a service. Without it, it is a mere job. My lords, your name itself gives security to the judicial officer, staff, and all other litigants and entire public. In Kannada, Abhaya means security. His lordship is a guiding force for all our endeavors, and on behalf of District Judiciary Vijayapura and PWD Vijayapura and Bar Association of Basavan Bagwadi, I wholeheartedly welcome you, my lord. Moving forward, no one can claim perfection. It is the domain of the God. One tried to become less and less imperfect. I also glad to welcome our dynamic and beloved Justice Sri B.A. Patil, Administrative Judge of Vijaypura Unit, under whose guidance and instruction we are all working in this unit. And it is because of his foresightedness we are seeing the change of early completion of the building, and a warm welcome you, sir. I also welcome Sri Shivanand Patil, MLA Basavan Bagwadi, who is polite and humble and known for his humility, and I cordially invite you, sir. I also welcome Sri N.S. Patil, President of the Bar Association and its executive members and members of Basavan Bagwadi, and also Sri B.B. Patil, Executive Engineer, PWD, and Sri S.N. Karur, AEE, PWD, who are responding to all our concerns. And I also welcome all judicial officers, staff members of Basavan Bagwadi, public prosecutor, government leaders, and all other members of print and electronic media, and all other persons who are gathered here on virtual inauguration. I also take this opportunity to thank the Honorable Registrar General and all other registrars for supporting us in this program. Lastly, and not the least, I also specially welcome D Group I employee of this court who have to maintain the cleanliness in the court building. I also wholeheartedly welcome them. The presence of legal luminaries and infrastructure provided certainly enhance our capacity and capability of effective delivery of justice to the needy. Thank you one and all. Now I request the Honorable Chief Justice, High Court of Karnataka, to inaugurate the building on virtual board.
कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः.
Through virtually, let its light spread everywhere. Thank you, Your Lordship, for this inauguration. It's my immense pleasure to request the President of this August virtual gathering, Your Lordship Justice B.A. Patil, Judge High Court of Karnataka, and Administrative Judge of Vijaypura Unit, to address his presidential speech.
High Court of Karnataka, Sri S.N. Naik, Principal District and Session Judge, Vijaypura, Sri Shivanand Patil, MLA, Basavan Bagwadi, Sri N.S. Patil, President of Bar Association, Basavan Bagwadi, and other office bearers, Sri B.B. Patil, Executive Engineer, Registrars of the High Court staff, senior and junior advocates at Basavan Bagwadi, staff members of the District Judiciary, ladies and gentlemen. Today is an auspicious day for me and to the people of Basavan Bagwadi. Today, Honorable Chief Justice is inaugurating first floor of court building virtually, which is a Taluka court. The total built-up area of the court building is 2,601.26 square meters. I am proud to say, under the leadership of Honorable Chief Justice, in Karnataka Judiciary, we are having good infrastructural facility
Thank you, Your Lordship, for your informative, inspirational speech. We would assure you, Your Lordship, that we will do our best. It is said that bedrock of our democracy is the rule of law. That means we have to have an independent judiciary, judges who can make the decision independent of political winds that are blowing. Known as citizens' judge, his magnanimous personality is so humble to welcome a staff after COVID-19 recovery. That is, Your Lordship, Honorable Mr. Justice Abhay Srinivas O, Chief Justice of Honorable High Court of Karnataka. I would humbly request Your Lordship to deliver your inaugural speech.
My esteemed colleague and brother judge, Justice B.A. Patil, Sri Sadananda N. Nayak, the Principal District Judge, Sri Shivanand S. Patil, Member of the Legislative Assembly from Basavanna Bagewadi constituency, the President of the Bar, Sri N.S. Patil, the other office bearers of the Bar, the officers of Public Works Department, members of the Bar, and ladies and gentlemen. I firmly believe that when a new building of the court is constructed, it should be inaugurated at the hands of senior most Group D employee, and I have been following that whenever I attended physical inauguration. It is only because we have this virtual inauguration that I am making departure from that practice. But I'll request the Principal District Judge to convey to all members of the Group D staff that this is in fact inauguration on their behalf, though I may have clicked the mouse on the screen and formally inaugurated the court. So it is actually their honor, and please inform them that I don't wish to take away the honor conferred on them. When we construct new building, we assemble for this kind of a function, and we really celebrate this event of construction of a new court building. While we do so, it is time for us to remember that we as judges or members of the staff or the honorable ministers or honorable MLAs or MLCs, we don't really contribute anything. The real contribution comes from the members of the public. The reason is that for construction of new court complex, we use public money. Therefore, we as judges or we as members of the political fraternity, we should not take credit, and we should always remember that it is the common man who has contributed for construction of the new court building. And therefore, I feel that the real celebration of construction of new building should be made after we, the judges and members of the bar, show to the litigating public that after construction of a new court complex, we are able to deliver better quality justice. We are able to get rid of long-standing arrears. So when we have such a new building, there is more responsibility on our shoulders. We means our judges and the members of the bar to live up to the expectations of a common litigant. And therefore, I feel that all the members of the bar who are present there, all the judicial officers who are present there, they will take a pledge to ensure that the new court building is used, the first floor of the new court building will be used for the benefit of the litigants by extending them a quality justice. I am just echoing the feelings of common man or a common litigant by taking benefit of this function. Unfortunately, we are required to conduct courts from the basement or cellar. As my esteemed brother Justice Patil has said, that we were offending the right of the litigants under Article 21, right to live with dignity. And I am happy now that both the courts will be shifted on the newly constructed floor. So I wish all the best to the judicial officers and to the members of the bar on the occasion of opening of the new first floor of the existing court building. I thank the organizers of this function for giving me this opportunity to share my few thoughts with you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Your Lordship, for your gracious, humble inaugural address. We assure you and take pledge that we use the new building for quality justice. Gratitude is catalyst for happiness. Now it's time to convey our gratitude to the dignitaries. Now I call upon Shri N.S. Patil, President, Bar Association of Baswan Bhagewadi, to address his vote of thanks to the dignitaries.
Honorable Justice, respected Sri Abhay Srinivas Oka, the Chief Justice, High Court of Karnataka, Honorable Justice, respected Sri B.A. Patil Judge, High Court of Karnataka, and Administrative Judge of Vijaypur District, and our most valued invited guests, brothers and sisters, advocates. It's my privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion of inaugural ceremony of newly constructed first floor building in the court complex here at Baswan Bhagewadi. I, on behalf of our Bar Association, Baswan Bhagewadi, and the entire, let me call it, fraternity of legal luminaries, and on my own behalf, extend a very hearty vote of thanks to all speakers for gracing your important work and sharing with us your good wishes. A big thank you to Honorable Justice respected Sri Abhay Srinivas Oka, the Chief Justice, High Court of Karnataka, for his valuable words addressed towards us in this occasion are very helpful to all of us. We are all inspired by your great words. I must mention our deep sense of appreciation for Honorable Justice respected Sri B.A. Padil, Judge, High Court of Karnataka, and Administrative Judge of Vijayapur District for his valuable words shared with us. Further, we are grateful to Sri Sivanand Des Patil, MLA of Basavanabagadi and ex-minister of Karnataka government for addressing us about his responsibility towards development of work court complex. I may like to express our sincere thanks to Honorable Judge Sri Sadanand N. Naik, the Principal District Sessions Judge of Vijayapur, for speech of function addressing welcome. I also wish to express my gratitude to our Principal Civil Judge Srimati S.L. Ladkan for providing encouragement to all of us to make success of the program. And we also would like to acknowledge our gratitude to Sri B.B. Patil, Executive Engineer, PWD Vijayapur, for taking full responsibility to complete the work of building, construction, and providing all the facilities needs to court work. I am also very grateful to press media persons for their presence here in this function. I also extend my thanks to all my colleagues for their enormous cooperation and involvement and their willingness to take on the completion of tasks beyond their comfort zones in the organization of this event. Well, brothers and sisters, an event like this cannot happen overnight. The wheels start rolling weeks ago. It requires planning and bird's eye for details. Respected honorable judges and advocates and court staff and public, once again I want to state that we are all most grateful to all speakers on this stage. We thank you for being with us this evening. It's been a great pleasure. Thank you very much, Andrew.
Thank you, sir. May I now seek the permission of Your Honorable Justice Sri Abhay Srinivas Oka, Chief Justice of Honorable High Court of Karnataka, to conclude the CE inauguration program with our national anthem. I would request all to raise up for the national anthem. May we now conclude the program, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you.